Hi, my dear subscribers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Devio Sajno, and my dear lovely boys and girls. So, hope you have watched the first part of the 15th episode of the Chandragiri Hills, and here I present you the second part of the same. And if you have not watched the first part, please find in the description, which I had exclusively shared for all of you, my dear friends. So, Shivji Mandir, the bell rings there. So, let's go and visit the Shivji Mandir, Bhaleshwar Mandir. Chalo. Friends, this is a brief description of Bhaleshwar Mahadev. Now we are going to get into the temple, and it is related to Ma Sati when her forehead fell here. This is a place where Bhaleshwar Mahadev had suddenly appeared, and then there are various other stories also where this inscription or the brief description of this temple is there here. But the mythological importance can be read by all of you in detail for you to understand more, my dear friends. And looks like that water can be sprinkled on your forehead and before we go to the darshan. So Bhaleshwar Mahadev temple, so beautifully, beautiful architecture, and then beautifully constructed here. Ancient temple. It looks like a very ancient temple and mind blowing, man. Very beautiful, huh? This is all on the Chandragiri Hill where we came on the cable car, Devi और सजनों. चलो अंदर लेके दर्शन करके. And we will come outside and I will show you the premises of this temple little more in detail. Mahanandi. Huge bells, huh? Here in Nepal, we can notice that, the bells are treated very spiritual, I think, here. And every temple has huge bells. Please tell me the significance of this, whatever the monument
So
or.
this spot actually is a spot where our great king Prithvi Narayan Saha, he stayed here. Okay, he stood here with his army, and he made plan about
Prithvi Shah.
unification.
Prithvi
Narayan Saha.
Prithvi Narayan Saha.
After him, the king Saha kingdom dynasty started.
Okay.
It was him actually who started the Saha dynasty.
Okay.
So he stood here.
Yeah.
Previously, like in India, Nepal was also divided into tiny kingdoms, 24 tiny kingdoms.
Oh, okay.
He stood here and he unified whole kingdom and made it a united Nepal.
Oh.
And so this is the spot, and this is for his remembrance.
As a monument, something they
Yeah,
have made it
that's-
for
yeah,
that.
for his-
So here he made the plans how to
It is
unite.
believed that he stood here
Okay.
and made plan.
Okay. So the flag is also hoisted here in the memory of Prithvi Narayan Shah.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah. I should thank you, ma. I should really thank you so much. This will be told to my family and my
It's our pleasure. You came here to visit our
Yeah,
country.
yeah.
We're
Thank you
really
so much. Thank you
happy
so
to
much.
help you.
I think from here was the view of Mount Everest. That's what they gave a board here, my dear friends. But unfortunately, I'm not able to show you because of the huge fog and clouds. But this beauty is again different. So here the say about the Chandragiri Hills. The hill provides panoramic views of Kathmandu Valley and the Himalayan ranges from Annapurna to Everest. Chandragiri Hills has cable car system to reach the temple of Bhaleshwar Mahadev. Chandragiri is where Prithvi Narayan Shah decided to annex the beautiful Nepal Valley into Gokra Kingdom. Chandragiri Hills is owned and managed by Kathmandu Fun Park Limited, is a hospitality company which operates cable car, restaurants, amusement parks, resort, 6D theatre and branded shops in Thankot, Kathmandu, Nepal. The major attraction of this place is its mountain top from where you can easily see the spectacular views of the giant mountain ranges like the Mount Everest. If you are here on a short trip, staying at Chandragiri Hills would remain the quickest way to see all mountain ranges, including Mount Everest, mostly during the summers from this Chandragiri Hills, my dear friends. And friends, there is an official website here which is www.chandragirihills.com, and for more details kindly visit the website, and for online booking for the cable car and the hilltop resort you can please visit this website, my dear friends. How is the chai? Huh? It is just 50 rupees. Huh? How is the chai?
Tasty.
How is chai? Chai ఎలా ఉంది?
చాలా బాగుంది. 50 రూపాయలు మాత్రమే. ఈ వెదర్ ఎందుకంటే చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. అందుకే చాయ్ తాగాల్సి వస్తుంది.
So she says that due to cold climate, cold weather, she is forced to have chai here. Though they are charging 50 rupees, she feels it is very costly, but okay, it is worth here in this kind of a beautiful climate. This is the canteen area. Chicken noodles for us, huh? So he is making a very, very delicious chicken noodles. Don't know if that entire quantity is for us or part of it. Anyway, it has costed 250 rupees of the Nepal currency. Very special and very tasty, huh? Come for you also. Lot of sports are there here. Friends, you can see the free fall zip line all here at Chandragiri Hills. This is the highest zip line in Kathmandu at an altitude of 2,551 meters. Hats off. This is the tower of Chandragiri Hill, and from here you can see the entire Kathmandu and all the hills, even Mount Everest. But unfortunately, it is a lot of fog here. So friends, I'm not able to show you. So anyway, just watch the beauty of this, and then that is the temple, Shivji temple. This is the price of the horse, rupees 250 rupees, and 200 meters they will do up and down on the horse ride. This is the Nepalese rupee. Rupees 250 rupees for 200 meters up and down horse ride, and yeah, this is the Nepalese rupee. So something of Buddha here, these colorful flags, which generally we don't know being Indians, but yeah, we have to have the values of Buddha, and we as Indians respect Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, and this is Buddha. Some of the rules for the visitors coming here, my dear friends, just you can have a look at all of them. And this looks like a kids zone where you have some games and sports here for the kids. Parents making their children play here. Looks very fascinating and very cute here. Hey, there is a zip line also. You can see that child enjoying the zip line. Wow. They have mentioned here only for children. This zone is exactly the children's zone. And this looks like a chota mota stadium जैसा है, like open air stadium. So we are 2,550 meters altitude above the sea level, my dear friends. So great experience here, and chalo, now let's go down from the same car cable. This is a resort here at Chandragiri, friends. You can see this, very beautiful resort. So time to go back. Yes, Devi or Sajno, this is the second and last part of the Chandragiri Hills and mostly concluding episode of the entire Kathmandu travel. After this, we will have a chatting episode of last of the Kathmandu about my overall experiences along with guidance and travel trips, hotel stay, food, etc. etc. So friends, please don't miss that last episode of mine. तो फिर हम सब लोग आ गए, हम 6 लोग मिल गए हैं. So we are going down back to our destination. They are going up, those cable cars which are going up, and it will take, I think, another 5-6 minutes for us to get down. So we have reached the car cable station. This wagon type of a car cable which is going, I think, will carry goods to the top. We are done, and then this is all the Kathmandu town, city, sorry. Friends, we have seen the Chandragiri top hill through the ropeway, the cable car, and we had a mesmerizing experience. And this is the place where we can see the entire Kathmandu city, and lifetime once at least we have to visit such a beautiful place, and it is worth visiting, my dear friends. And I had a wonderful time in my life, and it is a lifetime opportunity for us to see such a beautiful hill station, and the hill is so beautiful and complete greenery everywhere, my dear friends. So thank you for watching, and do not miss Voyager Vara, and I sign off here as Voyager Vara. Nenu mi host Varaprasad.